How to create ribbon of the floral shaped. Use pen tool. Change the fill color to none. Hold the shift key. Draw a line like this. Use selection tool. Go to effect, select distort and transform. Select zigzag. Adjust the setting like this. OK. Adjust the shape like this. Alright. Use scissors tool. Go to object, click expand appearance. Click this anchor point. Use selection tool. Select and delete this one. Hold the Option key, duplicate this one. Move here. Right click, select transform, then click scale. Change uniform number to 75%. Align to the right. Move a little bit downward. Hold the Option key, duplicate one more. Select these two lines. Use blend tool. Click these two lines. Double click blend tool. Select specified steps. Adjust the setting like this. OK. Use selection tool. Go to object, click expand. Unclick strobe. OK. Use rectangle tool. Snap at the right point of the lines, then create a rectangle. Alright. Use selection tool. Select this one. Right click, select transform, then click reflect. Click horizontal. OK. Select this point. Move here. Alright. Hold the Option key, duplicate this one. Move here. Hold the Option key, duplicate this one. Move here. Select all. Use Shape Builder tool. Hold the Option key. Delete these objects. Like this. Release the Option key. Select these area. Hold the Option key, delete this one. Alright. Use selection tool. Swap fill and strobe. Hold the Option key, duplicate these objects. Press Command G, group it all. Right click, select transform, then click reflect. Click horizontal. OK. Move here. Make sure snap it together. Select all. Use Shape Builder tool. Hold the Option key. Delete these objects. Like this. Alright. Use selection tool. Go to Pathfinder panel and click Unite. Go to the Swatches panel. Select black color. Move the object to here. Adjust the size smaller. Like this. Hold the Option key, duplicate and put here. Right click, select transform, then click reflect. Click vertical. OK. Move the object to here. And here. Select these two objects. Press Command G, group it all. Go to Effect, select Distort and Transform. Click Transform. Adjust the setting like this. OK. Use Polygon tool. Change number to 6. OK. Use selection tool. Adjust the size bigger. Move here. Swap fill and strobe. Adjust the size. Like this. Right click, select transform, then click rotate. Change the angle to 90. Select this object. Go to object, click expand appearance. Select all. Go to Align panel, click Horizontal Align Center. Select this object. Adjust the size and position, like this. Press Command Y. Make sure snap it together. Hold Command key. Drag the live corner to be rounded. Alright. Press Command Y back to normal. Adjust it more rounded. Alright. Press Command C then Command F. Right click, select Transform, then click Scale. Click Preview. Adjust the setting like this. OK. Select these two objects. Go to Pathfinder panel and click -front. Swap Fill and Strobe. Press Command A, select all. Use Shape Builder tool. Hold the Option key, delete these areas. Use Selection tool. Click blank area. Select this object. Right-click, select Release Compound Path. Hold the Shift key and select this one. Delete the other objects. Select this one. Hold the Option key, duplicate and put here. Press Command D, duplicate more. Alright. Select and delete this one. Select and delete this one. Select all. Use Shape Builder tool. Hold the Option key, delete these areas. Alright. Use Selection tool. Select these three objects. Press Command G, group it all. Hold the Option key, duplicate it. Right-click, select Transform, then click Reflect. Click Horizontal. OK. Move here. Hold the Shift key. Select these two objects. Press Command G, group it all. Right-click, select Transform, then click Rotate. Change the angle to 60. Click Preview to check it. OK. Right-click, select Transform, then click Rotate. OK. Now we have finished the ribbon of the flora shape. Thank you for watching and see you soon for another video.